If you've seen init in a Python class and wondered what it does, this is for you. In this video, I'll break down what init is, how it works, and when to use it, all in under 5 minutes. In Python, init is a special method called a constructor. It runs automatically when you create an object from a class. You use it to set up initial values, like giving your object its default state. In Python, when you define a regular function, you have to call it manually for it to run. But the init method is special. It runs automatically when you create an object from a class. Init is the constructor. A constructor is a special method used to initialize a newly created object of a class. It is automatically called when an instance, object of a class is created. You can also use default values in init, just like any other function. You can pass more than one value to init, just like a normal function. Now, each car object can store its brand and manufacturing year. When you write dog buddy, Python automatically calls the init method and passes in buddy. Now the object remembers that name. This lets your class work even if no arguments are passed. If this helped you understand init, hit like and subscribe. I share Python tricks and core concepts every week. Comment below if you want me to cover self, class methods, or anything else next.